Aluminum has been considered a replacement for copper for many years. It's lighter than copper and has better thermal conductivity. It's also easier to cut or bend and can be used like copper. However, there are two obstacles for its commercialization: galvanic corrosion due to its contact with brass, and strength decrease after pipe flaring and nut tightening. Inoac's original fitting conic joint brings a breakthrough as a solution. It's easy and quick to install aluminum tubes and conic joint. All you need is an original tightening tool, 2 reamers, and wrenches. Now, let's look at how to install. Turn the pipe's cut surface downward to avoid dirt or dust, and remove burr inside and chamfer pipe outside with reamer. Be careful not to damage the pipe's interior. Tightening first step. Mark pipe at 23 millimeters from its end for proper pipe insertion. The fitting has notches at 23 millimeters from rubber ring. Insert tightening tool into fitting and tighten with fingers until it can't go any further. Insert pipe straight into fitting. Be sure to insert till the insertion mark is flush with the fitting's rubber ring. Tighten the tightening tool with wrench till there is no gap between the tool and the fitting. The insertion mark moves a little during tightening, but this is normal. Take off the tightening tool and look at the pipe from the other side of the fitting to check the pipe is at the right position. Tightening second step. Make sure the joint part of the air conditioner is free from scratches or damage. Connect with an air conditioner and tighten with fingers till fittings do not turn anymore. Mark both the fitting and the joint part for proper tightening. Tighten again with wrench 90 degrees from the tightening mark. Be sure not to over-tighten. That's it. Once you get used to this method, it's easy with less tools and quicker than copper tubes. We are proudly introducing Inoac aluminum tubes and conic joints as new generation piping for air conditioners. Inoac, our services for your solutions.